Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make an amazing sea bass dish called pilaki here in Turkey. It's very easy to make, super delicious, very healthy. What we're going to need is 2 fillets of sea bass. As you can see, that has been de-skinned. 2 tomatoes, 2 red onions and 2 red bell peppers. I'm going a little bit heavy on the vegetables to make it more wholesome, but you can only do it with 1 tomato, 1 onion and 1 red pepper as well. And I'm going to write down all of these ingredients in the description box too, so in case you forget, you can always check it out there. So what I'm going to do first is I have a pan here that I can put in it in the oven. And I'm putting the onions, like so. I'm putting some salt. And I'm going to rub the onions with salt to make them a little bit more softer. And that way they'll be nicer to eat after it's been all cooked. And as you can see, I've sliced everything because this dish cooks in about 15 minutes and I want the vegetables to cook too. So thin pieces do cook much better. And on top of the onions, I'm putting the red peppers, half of them. Half of the tomatoes. Some more salt. And what salt does at this point is it's going to get rid of the tomatoes' moisture and it will make them more delicious this way. And now goes my 2 sea bass fillets and the remaining of peppers and tomatoes. And I want that tomato juice as well. More salt. And some olive oil, a good amount of olive oil. About half a cup. And now I'm going to transfer this in the oven with the lid on. And I'm going to cook it at 180 Celsius degrees for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, I'm going to open up the lid and let it cook for about an additional of 5 minutes and then it will be ready. And in the meantime, we're going to make a great salad to go with it. So for the salad, it's going to be a super simple salad. But I'm going to make the dressing first. So I'm taking the juice of half a lemon. This is the easiest and to me most refreshing salad dressing recipe ever. I'm adding some salt. And when you're adding salt to your salad dressings, make sure to do it at this stage because the salt distributes much evenly in the lemon's acid, whereas adding it at the last step after adding the olive oil, this is much better. I will add a little bit of honey. Maple syrup also goes great. Again, whisking. And I'm adding the olive oil slowly while continuously whisking. And that's perfect. And I'm proud to say that I started growing my own rocket in my kitchen. So I'm going to take 2 handfuls, wash it thoroughly, and combine everything along with the walnuts. And there we'll have a crunchy, easy, very refreshing salad to serve with our sea bass. And after washing your greens, make sure to always dry them so they hold on to that dressing better. Is I take some of the greens, I put them in the sauce, just turn them a couple times and get them back in the bowl so that all the leaves have exactly about the same amount of dressing on them. And to make this a little bit more crunchy, some walnuts, and it's ready. And it's ready. It stayed in the oven for about 15 minutes, and like I said, after 7-8 minutes I put up the lid and it looks super delicious. I can see that the sea bass is really soft because we cooked it with olive oil and with tomatoes. And now let's give it a taste. And the vegetables have softened up a little bit as well. So soft. It's really good. And what I love to do most is take a nice thick slice of sourdough and dip it in that beautiful olive oil vegetable sauce that is in the pan right now. And I've already also garnished it with some green onions, but you can use parsley too. Everything will work great. And there you have it, a very easy sea bass recipe that you can put together in about 20 minutes. And if you serve it with a nice crunchy salad, it will make a wonderful, wholesome meal. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I share a lot of easy breezy, wholesome Mediterranean recipes, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!